In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Robots.Txt in Yoast SEO. In order to do this, you first need to head over to Yoast.com and then make sure to have it installed. To do this, head over right here and download the free version. And it will download right here this zip file that you can upload directly on WordPress. You can also explore SEO Premium right here and get some advantage and descriptions on the plan that they have available. Now, from there, you can also head over to WordPress.com, click onto this Get Started right here in order to create an account, or you can also click onto this login option in order to log into one. So we will actually use Yoast with our WordPress. Let me show you how to do that. First, head over right here into your actual WordPress. You can see right here your home page. Now, from there, you can head over right here into your plugins and search right here for Yoast. And then from in there, head over and click on the Yoast plugin and then install it. Now to edit the robots.txt file, I have in here this particular article. So we have in here the Yoast SEO default directives, which is this right here. When you create the robots.txt, this will replace the WordPress default with the following that you can see on here as well for the Yoast. So these directives allow all search engines to crawl your site. So to edit right here, the easiest way is to head over to your Yoast SEO plugin and then from there click on Tools, then click on File Editor in order to open it. Once you're in there, you can click on this Create Robots or Edit Robots option. You can head over and edit the file right here directly, and once you have edited it, you can just click onto this Save Changes to Robots.txt. So onto this, if you have it on your server, you can use your favorite text editor, and then on the empty files, just name it robots. For example, you can use Notepad for this one and include the file directly into your server in order to actually use it. So that's all there is again. I hope this video helped you out.